So to inspect or not inspect, should you be getting a separate home inspection outside of the builder's inspection for your new construction home? We'll be talking about all this and more, so stay tuned. What's up, you guys? I'm Latrice DeLuna, a local realtor here in South Orange County with Real Estate eBroker. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, please. If you've been to my channel before, thank you and welcome back. So, right now I am at a final walkthrough for one of my clients, and I thought it would be helpful and appropriate to discuss a common question I get all of the time regarding the new construction inspection process, and if you should concern yourself with hiring your own outside vendor to do an inspection. So we'll take a little tour of this home and jump right into the process and how it works right now. All right, so we're inside the home. As you walk in right here to the right, this particular model has a next-gen living space, which is your next generation living. You know, it could be for parents, it could be for kids coming home from college, but they have their own separate space. Here's the bedroom of your next gen space. Then you have a bathroom, full gorgeous bathroom. It has its own living room, own washer and dryer, little kitchenette area right here. And its own entry. So you never have to even enter into the main home if you choose not to. So this space is very convenient. As we walk out of here, we have a bathroom right here to your left. Just a little powder room. Then we walk past the stairs. We have this amazing outside California room living space. And then we walk into this massive great room with all sorts of natural lighting, your fireplace, and it flows nicely into your massive kitchen with a huge island. Got your pot filler, top of the line appliances, wine fridge, microwave, your regular fridge. You have your garage door here with more cabinets and space. And then right here you have your pantry. So before we finish touring this beautiful home, let's talk a little bit about the inspection process. Now, to answer the question, should you hire your own inspector prior to your new construction final inspection? My answer is yes. As a buyer, you should always protect yourself. Not only yes, but I also think you should try, if possible, to get a couple of inspections throughout the building process. A lot of people may be asking themselves, why would I need a home inspection on a new build? After all, the home is built from scratch. My answer to that is a home inspection can provide valuable insight into the property's construction, as well as a chance to prevent costly repairs on the home later down the line. Now, not only do I say yes to your own inspection, but I also recommend having a few inspections done. Some of those would be a foundation or a pre-pour inspection. This ensures that the site has been graded properly and that the anchors and the footing are adequately spaced and that the stage is set for a strong, long-lasting home. The next would be a framing inspection prior to the drywall or the sheetrock and walls being put up. This allows the inspector to make sure the beams, posts, studs, and other structural components are installed properly. This also gives the inspector a chance to check wiring, plumbing, and anything else that gets hidden behind the walls that are hard to see once the drywall goes up. And then your third and final inspection would be the same one you would have done at any resale property. It ensures the home is safe for occupancy and finished per local code and building standards. This is also the same type of inspection that you're going to get with the builder. Now, the question, but Latrice, the local building department is required to complete a final inspection for every house that is built. And yes, this is true. The department will send an official to your home to make sure that the building code provisions have been met and that all safety and health requirements are in place. But their job is not to check for aesthetics and the quality of the work. That's where hiring your own inspector comes handy. Now, your new construction final inspection with the builder will be done in 2 phases, an initial and a final. During this process, the representative is looking for mechanical issues, plumbing, electrical systems, and flooring. They will also take a look at the design of the staircases and handrails, ventilation systems, running the heat and air, light fixtures, plugs, doors, windows, cabinets, and making sure hot and cold tabs are working properly. This inspection is very similar to the one that's going to be done by your own home inspector. Based off your home inspection report and what you find in your walkthrough with the builder, this is the time and responsibility of the buyer and their agent to call attention to errors and or problems that were found during this time. Don't feel intimidated to speak up, as this will be your home and this is the last chance and the best opportunity to get things fixed and get them fixed properly. Now, one major thing that inspectors have told me is to have my clients look out for any drainage system issues, because plumbing is one of the things that technically are not covered in the warranty 30 days past the close of escrow. That's mostly because the burden of proof is usually on the buyer, and there's no way to ensure that the buyer didn't put things down the drains and into the plumbing and piping that shouldn't have been there. So, one tip that he told me was to have my buyers run every single faucet and water line in their home for at least 20 minutes straight to make sure that the water is draining properly. The bigger the house, the longer you run the water. So I thought that was a pretty good tip and I would share it with you guys. Once your new construction final inspection checklist is composed and sent to the builder, then the appropriate trades come out and fix the necessary repairs that are on the list. Once the repairs are complete, then the buyer comes back out to do their final new construction final inspection, also known as your final walkthrough. This is the time for you to ensure that all the necessary work was completed. And once we're at this point, this means that a closing will be happening soon and you will be able to move into your brand new home. So, should you get your own inspector to come out and inspect your new construction home? The answer is yes, and it's not because builders don't do a very good job identifying and fixing everything that needs to be fixed in your home, but because you want to protect yourself from any costly mistakes in the future. So, talk to your agent, find an inspector, and get protected. Now, let's get back to this home tour. Hey, I just wanted to pop in and say, if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring the bell so that you can get notified every time a new video comes out. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. things that I love about Lennar is they give you all of this in-home technology to make your home very smart friendly. So it comes with the Echo Dot. You get a ring camera number 1, a ring camera number 2 for all of your doors. And I think that in and of itself is just amazing. And that's one of the reasons why I love working with Lennar New Construction. They come with the technology, they're smart homes. They are built to make your life that much easier. If you like what you saw and you want more info on the new builds in Irvine and the surrounding areas, ring that bell so that you can be alerted when a new video comes out. I have new videos every week. And also, check out my video here about another new community in South Orange County called Levity. This community won't disappoint, I promise you guys. I'm Latrice Luna, your local South County real estate expert. Thank you so much for watching, and please come back again. As always, stay safe and sane out there, and I'll see you guys next time.